Railway 2022 Edward the Blue engine. Right here. We have the box over here. Got him from Barnes & Noble. And before we unbox Edward, we're going to take a look at Edward. Here's a really cool feature you can do with these 2022 wooden railway engine boxes. You can slide them out. Here's a look at Edward's model. You can see his face. Light. Here's a nice look at Edward's face. Very unique. Pretty much a shock type expression right over here. You can see all the details. But we'll get into the details when we unbox Edward. Blue engine, of course. Here's the bottom of the box. Over here. Here's the back left-hand side of the box. The back of the box right over here, you can see. Serial number at the bottom. There's all the information. More information on the underside. The Entertainment's logo, of course. Top of the box. There's the railway logo on this side of the box. Without further ado, we're going to take Edward out of his package. We're going to take him out of the box. And we're going to take a look at Edward. Further ado, we're going to unbox Edward the Blue engine. Alright. Further ado, we're going to unbox Edward the Blue engine. Take him out of the box and take a look at his model. So, what we're going to use, our usual tool, our handy dandy hobby knife. So, we're going to open on the side, just like with every other 2022 wooden railway engine. Pretty easy to open. Take out those flaps over here. Then I can slide him out of the box. A little more on Edward, but we'll get into full detail on his model once we take him out of this package right here, out of his box. So, remove all the tape. And I hope I don't get fucking cut by my hobby knife. And I don't think I will. And we got a pamphlet over here with Edward the Blue engine. However, we got more. We're gonna cut the wires that are over here. Hopefully get Edward's tender out of the box. Over here. We got the tender out first, and we're gonna get the locomotive, the front of the engine, Edward. And we get Edward out of here. Alright, we got Edward the Blue engine out of his package. So we're gonna review Edward, take a look at his model, and see what he's about here. And as soon as we put all the stuff away here, we're gonna take a look at his model and see some details. We finally got Edward out of the box, of course. We're gonna take a look at Edward. We're gonna take a look at the front part of the engine first. Edward has two separate bogies on his model. The bogies for the front and rear wheels. His wheel arrangement is accurate to the show. What is really cool about this specific Edward model is that I think this one looks a lot better than the original wooden railway Edward models. The splashers are actually separated from the boiler, which is pretty cool. You can see the firebox. See here's the details that are over here. You can see what's really cool inside the cab. looks like an illusion of an actual firebox. An actual fire burning without the firebox. Yet again, here's the other side of Edward. He has 2 smaller wheels and 2 big wheels, just like he should in the show. Just like in the CGI series, although it ended January 2020. Edward, of course, is a 2D face. Here's a nice look at his face. It is kind of like a shocked expression. He does have the buffers. Here's what the underside of Edward looks like if you're all curious about his model. And here's his tender, number 2. See he has 2 wheels, obviously. 2 axles, 4 wheels. Here's the underside of Edward. It's tender. You can see it says serial number, item number, Edward's tender, and a cloud that is the Thomas and Friends logo. And I also forgot to mention, I do have the pamphlet showing all the wooden railway engines, pretty much. I really like this range so far. Of course, this pamphlet shows Thomas and Percy, who I did an unboxing video of, shown in the stream. These were the first 2. Rebecca, Emily, Troublesome Truck and Paint, Kenji, Gordon, who I did an unboxing video of a couple videos ago, Rosie, who I unboxed in my previous video, Henry, who I will be unboxing next, James, who I did unbox a couple videos ago, Toby, Hero, Diesel, who I unboxed before Rosie, Kevin, Nia, and of course Edward, shown right here, right in front of me. Good old Edward the Blue Engine. And here's the layout, shown in the pamphlet. See Thomas in 2D, thomasandfriends.com, built for memories at last. 2023 Ghislaine Thomas Limited. So we're gonna end this video right over here, but of course what I forgot to mention, that Edward's smoke box, dome, and of course the coal on his tender are also plastic on his model. So we're gonna end the video right here. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all next video. Goodbye.